Oh, Paulo, it's a tiny bow I have here. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to explain to you extensions and the proper technique to make them work with any hand. Let's get some facts about extensions. Fact number one, the extension is always and only between the first and second finger. Always remember that. You don't extend this. You may move the hands sometimes to shift up, but the extension always happens in between these two fingers right here. Here I'm playing in the extended position right here. And as you see, my thumb and second finger and third finger and fourth finger are all still in first position. The first finger is only one that moves back. And all you do is you simply open it up and drop it back. From the side here it is, you open it up and you open up and you drop it back. That's all. In order to apply pressure for this, you have to have a nice straight arm right here because you're going to be rotating your hand like this. I'm going to do it from the side so you can better see that. Here you go. There it is. And I'm going to extend all the way back. And now I'm going to apply pressure. Now I'm going to do it the wrong way to show you what a lot of people do. Applying pressure is you think you're pinching. See, I'm pinching the fingers. So I'm going to do the same thing with this finger up here. Watch what happens. I'm applying pressure, I'm pinching, and it's just sliding up. You can't help that. It's going to slide up. One more time. Applying pressure, and I'm pinching like I'm doing with these fingers, but it's sliding up. So how do you stay in tune for that extension? You have to use a different technique, and that technique is rotating the finger. And you're going to play with sort of the side of the finger right here. And so let's try that together. Put your fingers in first position like this. Lift your first finger up, straighten it. And if you have a big finger, a big hand, then you don't have to do that. You can probably just curl it a little bit and drop it in that spot exactly in between the nut and the first tape right there. And so that will be the E flat on the D string. And now lift these three fingers up and then rotate your hand. Rotate it so it does this. You're going to rotate the wrist. That is how you apply pressure.